My name is Tyler Farrell. I'm the owner and general contractor for Killowen Construction. I've dabbled in a lot of different types of construction in my career. The things that attracts me to homes is really the thing that makes it great, but it also makes it a challenge too. So I think it's very cool to have a project turn into a home, and that sounds kind of corny, but that's my favorite part about this type of construction, is building people's homes where they will have family parties, forever. I really enjoyed doing this home because I guess we would call it more of a modern farmhouse. It's a habitations plan. They did a great job. They drew the barn as well. And then Kim Parker's design just easy to build off of her schematics and her specifications, along with the homeowner's taste. It was fairly simple for us to get something this beautiful with the team that was involved.
I'm Kim with Kimberly Parker Design, and we are a full-service interior design company that mainly focuses on high-end custom residential. So this was the first project that I've worked with Killowen, and I was introduced to Killowen through this client, and they have been amazing to work with. We have similar tastes, and so a lot of our ideas bouncing back and forth off of each other worked well together. The way we communicate with the client is through our design drawings. That design schematic that we develop is the way that they can see what is going to develop. And Killowen did an amazing job. We try to anticipate the questions that the builder will have in the build, and he followed those to a T. If he had questions, he would call me or text me, and we would make site visits to make sure that that design schematic was being implemented, and they did a fabulous job in this home.
This was an interesting project because they came to us with basically two projects. They came to us with a barn. So we built that project, very beautiful, went well, and then they just decided to why wait? That's one really cool thing about this, is we had a beautiful finished product right next to something we were building. So you could kind of see the aesthetic already with the adjoining outbuilding. We couldn't have asked for a better experience with these clients. I was thrilled that they kept us on for the second phase of the project. Some of the highlights of this home for me are the reclaimed woodwork that we've done. We have reclaimed oak beams, oak mantles that our own team, our own in-house carpenters put together. Our cabinet company did the cabinets in this home, so I'm super proud of them. It turned out beautiful. There's just those elements, those rustic elements that tie into the new elements so well, so seamlessly. That's one thing I really love about this modern farmhouse style of home. I couldn't be more proud of our team for the craftsmanship, the diligence, the project management, all of it, from the architect to the design team to the landscaping. This is a really beautiful and magical home and lot and estate. I'm just really proud for this to be in my local community, and just really just thrilled with our team.